This is Unomax Mechtron mechanical pencil. This pencil cost rupees 15. This pencil comes with 0.7 mm lead. This pack itself looks fantastic. 15 rupees with a free lead box is value for money. Unomax just turns out the design from its Unomax Presto ball pen. The color theme, which is having 5 different colors for the clip and the tip, comes with a nice case. Fantastic design, looks premium in its touch. 5 LEDs free, good for students and for those who need a 0.7 mm tip pencil with a lead box itself. Nice touch. The color black and orange looks fantastic. It is having a nice engraved grip to wave design, but there is a free flow of lead, but it does not make any disturbance while you write, but the lead flows freely without any grip. Comes with a small eraser which even locks the lead from the top. Same design, a pencil from a pen, and we have mostly 480 pens in our lineup, so you can search the pen name with our channel name to get that pen if it is available. This pencil writes not very darker initially, but we have tested when the lead breaks down, then it becomes very darker. So this is the problem we are facing while the lead free flows. So once the lead is broken, it just turns out to a very dark lead. Nice pencil from Unomax, except the free flow of lead at this price point rupees 15. Thanks for watching.